or swing trading?
The easiest and most profitable by far
is
right there at that pivot point. Scalpers, none of them are for profit. Day traders more for
If you are making a swing trade, not a day trader to swing trade. Let me help you out. Do not jump back and forth.
It's not impossible technically. It's like walking into a casino with $100 and you can't help it. It's not a trading bet. With $100, if you lose one.
I'm so tired of seeing the same video in different fonts, consistently telling me how easy it is to get rich, and that buying their course will make me rich as well. In this video, I'm actually going to break down the realities and profitabilities of consistent trading and crypto investment. If you legitimately want real advice, please listen to this whole video and take it as gospel. So you want to trade crypto and get rich? Great, I'm going to show you exactly how to start, which exchanges to use, and how not to get robbed in your first week. And then I'm going to spend the rest of the video actually using data to talk you out of it. I know, sounds like a strange sales pitch, but this actually might be the most profitable video you watch all year, purely by stopping you from losing money. Let's go! Okay, so the part you actually came for. If you're going to do this, do it with a reputable, regulated exchange. Not some random guy on social media. Oh wait, isn't that what you're doing right now? In the US specifically, the big boy options are Coinbase, Kraken, and Gemini. They are registered with FinCEN. They follow anti-money laundering and know your customer rules. And Coinbase keeps something like 98% of your assets in cold storage. For context, cold storage is the practice of keeping your cryptocurrency private keys entirely offline, completely disconnected from the internet. So it's better for security in most cases. If you want to start trading, you'll need to navigate to making your account, providing valid KYC information, like your passport or ID, and then deposit the funds. And now, this is where the fun begins. Now, I want you to listen very, very carefully. This next step will stop you from killing yourself, specifically with crypto. Only put in money you can set on fire and still make rent. Stick to the big boy coins, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The shit coins, as the industry lovingly calls them, are where most people get absolutely fucked. Move anything serious off the exchange into a cold wallet, because if the exchange gets hacked or simply vanishes, there is no phone number to call and no government coming to refund you. And never ever use leverage. No matter how many influencers or gurus tell you it's a wonderful idea, leverage can turn a normal trade into a lifelong debt misery, aka you're completely fucked. That's the responsible playbook. Now let me absolutely ruin it. Now, let's cover everything wrong with crypto. First, and this is the big one, the fraud. The space is an ocean of it. In 2025, Americans alone reported $11.4 billion in crypto fraud losses to the FBI, up 22% in a single year, with investment scams making over $7 billion of that. This number will only get larger and larger, and your money might be next to go. Be very, very careful. Do not trust anyone. Chain analysis also tracked at least $14 billion, possibly over $17 billion, flowing to scams on the blockchain. Second on this list is volatility. Crypto can swing 10 to 20% in a single day, and Bitcoin has repeatedly lost 70 to 80% of its value. Boring old stocks like the S&P 500 have much smaller crashes and a long history of recovering. Crypto can erase 2 years of gains while you're asleep, because it trades 24/7 and does not care about your time. Whereas the US market trades from 9:30 AM to 4 PM Eastern Time, and does care about your time. Now, here's one of the final things as well, the one that could actually stop you cold. Over 62%, and this number is very much likely to be higher than that, of meme coins launched in 2025 were flagged as potential rug pulls within a month of launching. Most new coins are quite literally built to steal from you. Impersonation scams, often using AI deepfakes of real exchange CEOs, jumped 1,400%. Hackers stole another $3.4 billion on top of that. The Bybit hack alone was around $1.5 billion, the biggest in history. And the people getting hit the hardest are the elderly, who lost over $4 billion. Now, lastly, as well, when it goes wrong, you are completely alone. Crypto isn't FDIC or SIPC insured like your bank account or brokerage. If your stockbroker collapses, then there are protections. If your crypto exchange collapses, well, ask anyone who used FTX, which was considered totally reputable right up till it wasn't. Your money is just gone. Poof. Now for the stat that could actually change your mind. The Bank for International Settlements, basically the central bank for central banks, studied retail crypto users across 95 countries. They're finding somewhere between 73 and 81%, and also, again to reiterate, these real numbers are most likely much higher, of retail investors lost money on crypto. The median user lost about half of what they put in. And also here's the gut punch. While small buyers were piling in as crypto rose, the biggest holders, the whales, were quietly selling. You are not playing a game of skill, and a lot of the time you are the exit liquidity, aka a long-term rug pull.
Fuck! Holy fuck!
You full clip.
Holy fuck, thanks for the 20 bandos. Oh, yo!
So here's the actual value of this video, and where you can actually grow your money, not burn it into carbon. For the average person, boring traditional investing, a low-cost index fund has much better odds, real legal protections, and doesn't require you to dodge an ocean of fraud or stomach your net worth halving twice in a year. The data shows almost all crypto traders lose. The data also shows that index investors over time almost always win. That's not me being old and scared, that's just plain math. If you still want a slice of crypto, fine. A small amount you can afford to lose on Coinbase, Kraken, or CoinSpot. Move your money to a cold wallet, don't have leverage, hold it for years, and treat it as gambling, not as a retirement plan. Everything else goes in the boring stuff, where you can actually make money. Bye bye.
I know that you're not coming back, so once in a while